everyone. Today I will be discussing one of the best AR applications available for iOS on any iPhone. It definitely works extremely well. Of course, the newer model phone that you have, the better the application will work because it is very demanding on the RAM and the CPU of the phone. For you guys who don't know, that's the computer processor unit. And phones do have CPUs as well. They're just mobile CPUs. Same technology, just on a smaller scale. However, the name of that application is going to be Porsche A.R. For those car enthusiasts out there who are, infatuated or love speed or design, such as myself in engineering. The Porsche A.R. I think is one of the best applications to absolutely, describe or display or, show off the technology of the iPhone. And Porsche A.R. allows you to change like the internal, specs of the car, allows you to change the color, I believe it is the wheels. It also allows you to change the model. You can go through, I believe it is 4 or 5 models. I could be wrong, but certainly check out that application. Link will be in the description below, and demo it for yourself. And I have a video that I will be playing, so you can certainly see a quick demo of it. And it's absolutely a awesome application, and I hope more people go take a look at it and certainly enjoy the technology. And thank you for stopping by Perez's Corner. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.